Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share celebrity gossip and entertainment news. Today we are looking at the prominent businessman Musa Mseleku. Who is Musa Mseleku, and also how did he grow up? We are just going to be looking at his whole biography. Now guys, please take note that all this information that I will be sharing here is information that was shared with us on the internet, right? So please just take note on that. So Musa Mseleku is a prominent South African businessman, reality TV star. He is an author and he is a polygamist, best known for his role in his reality show Utando Nesthembu. So Musa Mseleku gained nationwide recognition for openly practicing polygamy with 5 wives, and he has become one of South Africa's most talked about public figures. He was born in 1974 in Mzumbe, KwaMadlala, in rural KZN. He grew up in a modest background, raised by his grandmother, his mother, and also his younger sister. His upbringing in rural KwaZulu-Natal instilled in him traditional Zulu values and a deep appreciation for family and cultural values. This background shaped his worldwide view and his decision to practice polygamy as an adult. And then his childhood was marked by strong family bonds, particularly with his late mother, Nomathemba Joyce Mseleku, who played an important role in his life. He began school at Denver Zoa Mission School in Mzumbe, where he completed his primary education. He then proceeded to Prince Ngamizizwe School before completing his matric at Sister John's High School in 1993. So after finishing his high school, he enrolled at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, where he obtained a degree in public administration in 1997. His education provided him with the fundamental knowledge and skills that would later prove invaluable in his business ventures and television career. After graduating from university, Musa Mseleku began his professional career in journalism. He started working at the Durban North Youth radio station. He later moved to work for Ukhozi FM and SABC News. Musa Mseleku eventually left journalism to pursue entrepreneurship. He established himself as a successful businessman. He has been vocal about his journey to success. He even wrote a book titled How I Made My First Million and How You Can Also Do It. The book was published in 2020. In this book, he shares business strategies, challenges he overcame, and practical advice to aspiring entrepreneurs. Musa Mseleku's life changed dramatically in 2017 when Utando Nesthembu premiered on Mzansi Magic DStv channel 161. The show offers an intimate look at his polygamous marriage and the daily dynamics of living in a polygamous marriage. It became an instant hit, sparking conversations about polygamy and modern family structures. Building on success of Utando Nesthembu, Musa Mseleku began hosting another reality show called Umnakwethu, which is a show that is about married men who wish to introduce polygamy into their marriages. The Mseleku television presence expanded further with the launch of Izingane Zesithembu, which is a spin-off show that follows Musa Mseleku's older children as they navigate adulthood. Musa Mseleku's net worth is estimated to be around $2 million, which is approximately 37 million rands. He has accumulated his wealth through multiple streams of income, establishing himself as one of South Africa's wealthiest reality television personalities. And that is all we have for you today with regards to Musa Mseleko's biography. Please do leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think I have missed? And also, what didn't you know about Musa Mseleko that you know now? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next video.